Great Trades here, and I'm going to show you how to remove the back panels here for the Jeep Grand Cherokee L and the 2022 and on regular Grand Cherokee. These are pretty simple panels to remove. You pretty much just pull them off. They have a lot of clips underneath here that you can align. If you want a trim tool, these are really helpful to get in on the sides to pull them up as well. And they're plastics, they're not going to damage anything. I'll leave a link to these down in the description as well. This is the handle to pull the hatch down close. You do need to pull this out straight. It's easier if you take this out first. Pretty much pull straight out. It can be a little tricky. Pretty much just got these two clips that pop in here, and it's made to be hard to remove, so you don't accidentally pull it out when you're lifting. So this will go on after. Now the whole thing pretty much just pops straight down. And then you have these connectors here are for the interior lights, so you can pop these off. We'll just go on to these two lights that are on the inside. So once you get the back panel off, you can access the latch mechanism, which is here. It has the connections for it. It has the connections for the rear wiper and the rear wiper assembly. And then it has the tail light connections in here as well. All right, so the side trim panels, there's a little clip here. You pretty much just pull this down. Looks like it's plastic welded together. It's easier just to keep it together. This is your windshield nozzle, washer for the back nozzle. These are for the brake light assembly that's in the little spoiler up here. Then you can access the lines for the defrosters up in the windshield. The connections for them are on the sides here as well. Then putting it back together, again, very simply, you're just gonna pop it back together, lining up these tabs. It's easier if you start with the middle ones. These ones are kind of sideways in here. So when you do these ones, you want to pull them in and push them out with here, and watch for the defrost line connectors because they do want to sit in front of the area there. Oh, make sure you plug in your lights too before. You just snap in there. Pretty much some green ones and some flat tabs here, pretty much all over. They pretty much just push straight up on. Just do your best to align them. Try and align the whole thing before you start putting any of the tabs in. Oh, I like to use these top parts here. And if you don't get every single clip, it's still gonna hold on there just fine. And then this is a lot easier to install. You pretty much just pop it back on there. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. I got 80,000 miles on this Jeep and I do a lot of videos about them, so check out some of my other ones as well. Thanks.